friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
Acne is mostly caused by a bacterium called Propionibacterium. This bacteria infects the pores of the skin, and as a result it becomes a pimple. Currently, antibiotics, topical creams and chemical benzoyl peroxide are used to treat acne, and as you know, these drugs have many side effects. For example, they cause irritation and inflammation on the skin, and may also weaken the immune system. There is even a possibility that over time the bacteria will become resistant to the said antibiotic. But the solution containing thyme of this drug can eliminate acne bacteria better than creams and chemical solutions. The recipe for the preparation of thyme anti-acne solution. Dried organic thyme, to kill acne-causing bacteria. Apple cider vinegar, antibacterial and skin cleanser. Aloe vera juice, moisturizing, hydrating and adjusting the pH of the skin. Chop the thyme leaves with a knife and then put them in a sealed jar. The glass should be half filled with thyme leaves. Then you should pour apple cider vinegar on the thymes so that the thymes are about 2 centimeters away from the bottom of the jar. Press the thymes with a spoon several times until they are completely immersed in the vinegar. Finally, close the jar and put it in a dark and cool place for about 2 weeks. Remember to go to the glass every 2 days and shake it. After 2 weeks, separate the thymes from the liquid with a strainer and then mix some of it with aloe vera juice in a ratio of 2:1 and mix well. Now your toner is ready. First, try some of it on a small part of the skin of the face. Wait a few hours to see if you are allergic or not. If you are not allergic, you can apply it daily with a cotton to all parts of your skin. Thyme solution for sensitive skin. Put 20 grams of thyme leaves in a glass container and add 30 milliliters of olive oil to it. Let it stay for 3 days. Then pass it through a fine sieve and press the remaining leaves well to extract their juice. Mix this solution with 20 milliliters of avocado oil and then add 100 grams of ozarine and mix well. Thyme is soothing and its mild and pleasant aroma soothes sensitive skin. Other oils in thyme, such as thymol, nourish and protect the skin. Clean your skin with this incense. Herbal incense is a deep skin cleanser and removes blackheads, and by stimulating the skin to sweat more, it causes more toxins to be removed from the skin. Blood circulation under the skin is faster, and the ducts of the sebaceous glands, which are probably closed, are opened and it flows naturally to the surface of the skin. The best herbs for acne-prone skin are chamomile, yarrow, fennel, thyme, etc. For this purpose, pour the fresh or dried plant into boiling water and reduce the heat. It is better to do this in a kettle with a long pipe because the kettle pipe will focus the steam towards your skin. Then tie the hair from the back and put a big towel on the head and expose the different parts of the face, especially the pimple areas such as the forehead, nose and chin, to the steam. Keep a distance of 20 to 30 centimeters from the steam so as not to damage the skin. Keep your eyes closed during this time. After 15 minutes, turn off the steam. It is worth mentioning that those with more sensitive skin should steam their face at a distance of 45 meters and reduce the duration to 10 minutes. After the fumigation period is over, the fumigation solution can be strained after cooling down and applied to the skin and pimples as a disinfectant solution with cotton. Especially the thyme solution is useful. Thyme incense reduces blackheads. Pour a full glass of water into a container. When it boils, pour 4 tablespoons of Shirazi thyme into it. Reduce the heat very much, so that the steam escapes from the container. By throwing a big towel on the head, place the skin of the face at a distance of 30 centimeters from the steam and continue this process for about 15 minutes. Then strain the desired solution and apply the solution on the skin of the face with a cotton ball, and after 10 minutes, wash the face with lukewarm water. It is better to use strengthening creams after smoking. By repeating this method, blackheads will disappear. How to make thyme extract. In order to obtain the extract of this plant, thyme must be placed in alcohol for several weeks to remove its compounds. Also, some alcohol base is sometimes added to thyme tincture to increase its antiseptic effect. This solution can be very effective in treating pimples. Of course, it is said that this product will be sold in the form of a spray. Mix half a cup of chopped thyme with a few teaspoons of green tea, then boil it and store it in the refrigerator. Dip a cotton ball in the mentioned liquid and apply it on your face daily and witness the miracle of this plant.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.